Hello, science lovers. Imagine one day you twist your ankle, and instead of heading to the doctor, you just wait for it to heal itself. Sound too good to be true? Well, it might not be. Scientists have discovered that our bodies might have a hidden healing power, similar to that of a lizard regrowing its tail. If this research proves accurate, it could be a game changer for those living with chronic joint pain. We've all marveled at creatures like lizards that can regenerate entire limbs. But what about humans? Until recently, scientists believed that our cartilage, the cushioning in our joints, couldn't repair itself. However, new research suggests otherwise. Researchers at Duke University compared the healing process in our joints with that of salamanders, known for their regenerative abilities. They discovered that our bodies possess similar tools for repairing cartilage damage. It's as if there's a tiny salamander within us all, ready to spring into action. While this research is still in its early stages, it's undeniably exciting. The next step is to figure out how to activate these natural repair mechanisms effectively. Picture a world where a simple treatment could drastically reduce joint pain and increase mobility. This breakthrough could revolutionize the lives of those struggling with joint issues. While we wait for these advancements, there are steps you can take today to support your joints. Maintaining a healthy weight, staying active with low-impact exercise, and eating a balanced diet rich in nutrients are all beneficial for joint health. If you have any questions about this research, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more mind-blowing science updates. Always remember, your body is a marvel capable of amazing things. Until next time, stay curious and stay healthy. And who knows, you might just unlock your inner salamander.